Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and I'm here to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A21 smartphone in 90 seconds. So let's get into it. Inside the box, you'll see the quick start guide and documentation, and the new A21. Let's check out its key features. The A21 includes a 6.55-inch HD Plus Infinity O screen. It's got a quad camera on the back, featuring a 16-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel selfie cam on the front. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide LTE network. It uses USB-C for charging, has a 3.5mm headphone jack, and fingerprint sensor. Inside the box, you'll find the T-Mobile SIM card, SIM pin, wall charger, and USB-C charging cable. Now, the A21 runs Android 10 out of the box. It has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, as well as a micro SD card slot, and it's equipped with a big 4,000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy A21 is now available from T-Mobile and Sprint, and coming soon to Metro by T-Mobile. And it looks like I'm about out of time, so for more information, check out T-Mobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.